Okay, here's a short video of submarine of a 27-inch ITO sub. This is hull number 35. I did some minor restoration work for the owner. I added fins, painted them, added the prop guards, got it wired up so it runs. Fixed up the lights so they work, etc. So now she's a working sub. Added the grommets to the bottom, give them a little age because they were missing on the sub. And then added some railings, aged them. Just generally fixed it up, got it running. I'll replace the rear flagpole and that. But this is a real rare sub. Anyway, I'll put this online really quick so everybody can see it. This is hull 35. She's a runner.